Thank you very much. I think Tony will shortly be coming up to make the concluding remarks as the chairman of this forum. What I propose to do before that is to let you know what will happen after this, to show that this forum has an end. The end is not the end. Therefore, we're going to take it forward like it was done last year into a finalized Lift the Barrier reports that will be finalized based on the drafts that had come out in the first instance and augmented by the discussions that had taken place at the various breakout sessions. And these finalized Lift the Barrier reports, like happened last year, will be sent to the leaders, the ministers, Asean Secretariat, and other partners in the private sector who might be interested in our findings and recommendations. On top of that, we will ensure there is a representation of the views contained, proposals contained in those reports to the ASEAN Secretariat, to ASEAN senior economic officials, and to ASEAN economic ministers. On top of that, in the period of Malaysia's chairmanship, we will be taking it to the highest level from the national angle, quite apart from having done so from the regional angles at various levels. And also, of course, quite apart from Malaysia becoming the chair of ASEAN, the handover ceremony will take place in Naypyidaw on the 13th of November, when the ASEAN Summit takes place together with the EAS and what have you. At the same time, the chair of the ASEAN Business Advisory Council will be handed over to Malaysia. I happen to be the chair, the Malaysian chair, and we are having a gala dinner in Kuala Lumpur on November the 19th, witnessed by our Prime Minister, and we're going to have a one-day conference focused solely on this, on the SMEs. What are the problems that the SMEs face, and how they could address them? That will be on the 20th of November. So we will be enmeshing our efforts here with all the institutions that exist, and we will be doing an advocacy and lobbying process in a very robust manner to ensure that our views are heard. And there are many proposals that you heard from the various breakout session chairpersons that we want to put together and put across. But be mindful, of course, the leaders and economic ministers don't read reports probably beyond 3 to 5 pages. And so to put everything together in that condensed fashion is not easy. However, if there was representation, verbal representation as well, it can be effective. This is what's going to happen from the work that we've done in the last 2 days and more. The research partners have been, working very hard as well, and we're working some more to finalize these reports. I'd like to end on that note, and I'm sure one will be calling upon the chairman of the forum to say thank you to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Chancellor Munir, for wrapping up.